Unong mi khmat ke BJP na South Shillong ba SANBOR Shuloi ha kasngi ba ar ulaong ba laipo na shispah jong nongkyrshan jong u kim shym la thep vote ha kanik election bala dep shaka Lok Sabha namar ka jing bitar persha ya ka jingbam pinyang kertong kaseng na Shillong parliamentary constituency. Kajing 1 poi kinong thep vote ha South Shillong ha kani ka election baladep kalong sanpupra point lai hinriu na ka shispah ha kawai kalyang kabalong ru kabadunatam.
In South Shillong, I will tell you frankly, based on my, you see the day when I visit the polling booth in my constituency, interacting with the people but we have got the concrete information that 30% of the die-hard BJP, they did not cast their vote. That's why the percentage come very less. 30% they did not cast because out of anger. There are also men, women, boys and girls. I met in the polling booth, they said, our volunteers says, sir, these people, they are asking they went to push the button. Since my name is not there in the VM, my symbol, this lotus flower is not there, they went to the presiding officer and said, SANBOR, where is the name of SANBOR? Where is the lotus of Narendra Modi? They ran away.
Unong mi khmat ka BJP na South